People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about an incident that happened to a US student up there in Papine, and it seems we got a glimpse into what the future of Jamaica as it relates to crime fighting could possibly look like. A video came out showing some policemen intercepting a car. But before I show you the video and really touch on it, people, let me just show you a quick clip, right? And then I get back to this UE incident with the policeman. Just check out this clip, people. Can somebody explain to me what is that? Can somebody explain to me how Simple Simon managed to reach on the side of the road there? People, that to me look like the toll road, right? That look like the toll road, and if you know that toll road, you would know it is extremely. First of all, I don't even know how you'd get to the other side. That's the first question. How did he get on the other side? If somebody understand and know the toll road at the back of them, and please tell me how you end up from one side of the toll road to the other one. Now the next thing I want people to tell me is, how do you police this? How do you police this? Because people might say, oh, bring in this law and that law. How much law you need? How much law you need for counter sympatonitis? Because clearly you can write all the laws you want to write, but there's only so much you can do about sympatonitis. People, how did this madman end up on the other side of the road? Now you're coming from the opposite direction, the direction where you see the truck gone up the hill, right? You're coming in one direction and in the back of your mind, you know there should be absolutely nothing coming towards you on that side of the road. So you're cruising and come. Probably you and your girl are come back from a trip, right? Only go watch, you go chill out. Simple Simon and Simple Simone I come back after a weekend getaway, right? And you are cruising and out of nowhere, you come back up in a car, man, on your side of the road, I come down. The people, now you see why we have the kind of numbers we have. Every year when them release the road death numbers, and people say, oh, what more we need to do? We need to bring in this, and we need to bring in that. When are people going to see? The population, right, is either so unruly, that's no matter where you come up with, they just do what them feel like, or a significant chunk of the population, as me say, suffer from sympatonitis. Because I want people to justify these things. This is all I want, you know. I want all the excuse makers them to come tell me what I want to so. Because every time something like this come up, we always hear, because of this and because of that. Some want hear why, some want know why the brother end up on the other side of the road. A cruise and I take him time down the hill. More hear the excuse to that one, right? So when you hear in a year, when you hear such 400 people gone from road traffic, and why this keep happening, why they keep happening, now you know why. I'm talking about, you already know why, but you probably don't want to face the truth because you think, oh well, it makes me less of a patriot. It makes me no, I can't say that. People, you have to be realistic. See, the only way we can get rid of people like this, the only way we can get rid of this culture and this mindset is that we must first accept it. Any therapy you go to, the first thing you have to do is say, hi, I'm Simple Simon and I'm suffering from this. That's the first thing you have to do. Any rehab you go, the first thing you do on the first day is say, I am Simple Simon and I'm suffering from this. And everybody in the room say, hi Simple Simon. That's how it works, people. Anyway, look up on the video now about the UA student. No, people, I'm not gonna lie to you. I like what I'm seeing. This video of the policeman them swoop down upon the group of man in the car who robbed the man near UE. So the man get him think them take it from him go up at the police station and go report it. Right? And by the time him report it, the different bodies them start to link with each other. They link up with Jamaica Eye, which is the CCTV camera system across Jamaica. Right? And as the vehicle was coming in, a matter of fact, look at the vehicle was doing a little tour. Because of course them a move around left, right and center, and as them take something from somebody, they move to the next location. So the policeman in the Area 4 and Area 5 come together with the help of the Jamaica Eye, and them corner the man them on South Avenue, the intersection of South Avenue and Constant Spring Road. Right, so people, I'm just gonna show you a short clip of what happened, right, when time the man them deal with it. People, the rest of the clip is on the Jamaica Gleaner Instagram page and the JCF Instagram page. Now, as I said, people, I'm not going to lie. I really like what I'm seeing here. I'm not even going to nitpick nothing. For me, this is good. This is a good look, right? This is how we're going to move forward. This is actual police work. See, because here we have something like Jamaica Eye, where we were given the concept of how it would work, right? And a lot of times we ask ourselves the question, well, why they're not using it? Why we don't hear it being used more? Why man I do things as so and I drive car, go on over Portmore and then can't trace about nothing? How is that possible? Well, guess what? Now we know Jamaica Eye can and does work, right? So even though we have to commend them on this, anytime a little foolishness go on, you know my question, what the Jamaica Eye, right? Because this is proof that the system can work, right? I commend them, right? I commend JCF, I commend the Jamaica Eye people. This is a very good look. They can only get better from this. Them learn from this, right? That's why I said even some little things in the video, people message me saying, sure, him shouldn't do this and him shouldn't do that. Listen, I'm not going to nitpick no small thing in a video, right? It's not every time you must major in the minor. People, this is a good look. This is a good step forward. This is how we're going to see some real changes, right? So big up the JCF for this move. I heard that they recovered the laptop and all of the devices, and there were 4 men in the car, right? So hopefully this might be some kind of deterrent, because a couple low budget 87s might go think, well, see them catch some other man with you, so me now go try it. I mean, as I said, the hardcore Apex 87s, them not business about nothing, them not go stop. But hopefully little low budget when them are transition in a badness, and back in the day them could have do what them feel like and just run me or driveway or switch state. Now them say Jamaica Eye can and does work. Hopefully it becomes a deterrent. Hopefully. So big up JCF for this. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.